welcome to my channel Science Tonic Experiments.
In this video we learn about heat. By the end of this video we know about specific heat dependent factors, K equal to ms delta T, applications of specific heat. The specific heat of a substance is the amount of heat required to raise the temperature of unit mass of the substance by 1 unit. The specific heat mainly depends nature of the substance, mass of the substance and temperature. Now we will learn one by one each them. Take a large jar with water and heat it up to 80 degrees centigrade. Take two identical boiling test tubes with single holed cracks. One of them is filled with 50 grams of water and other with the 50 grams of oil, both at room temperature. Insert two thermometers through holes of the corks, one each into the test tubes. Observe the reading of the thermometers every 5 minutes and note the readings. In which test tube does the temperature rise quickly? We believe that same amount of heat is applied to water and oil because they are kept in the jar of hot water for the same interval of time. From this we can observe that the rate of rise in temperature of the oil is higher than that of the rise in temperature of water. From this we conclude that the rate of rise in temperature depends on the nature of the substance. Now we will observe relation between heat and mass. Take 2 beakers of equal volume and take 250 grams of water in one beaker and 1 kg of water in another beaker. Note down the initial temperature of water. Let the temperature is 30 degrees. Heat both beakers till the temperature of water in the beakers rises to 80 degrees centigrade. 250 grams of water beaker takes less time to rise 60 degrees and 1 kg of water takes more time to raise 60 degrees temperature. From this we conclude that the amount of heat absorbed by a substance is directly proportional to its mass of the substance. That means K is proportional to M. Now we will learn relation between rise in temperature and heat. Take 2 beakers of equal volume and take 500 grams of water each of them. Note down the initial temperature of the water. Let the temperature T equal to 30 degrees. Heat one with low flame and other with high flame. After 10 minutes, note down the readings. Let the low flame beaker raises up to 50 degrees centigrade and high flame beaker raises up to 80 degrees centigrade. From this, we conclude that the change in temperature rise with the time is constant. That means, for the same mass of water, the change in temperature is directly proportional to the amount of heat absorbed by it. That means K is proportional to delta T. From these activities, we can conclude that K is proportional to M, where delta T is constant. K is proportional to delta T, where M is constant. From these two equations, K is proportional to M delta T. It implies K equal to ms delta T. S is a constant for a given substance. S is called specific heat of the substance. S is equal to Q by M delta T. The CGS units for specific heat is calorie for gram degree centigrade and SI units is joule for kg Kelvin. Observe the given table. The table shows about substances and their specific heat values. From this table, lead has the least specific heat value. Water has the highest specific heat value. The specific heat of water is 1 calorie per gram degree centigrade or 4180 joule for kg Kelvin. From this, the rise in temperature depends on the nature of the substance. The specific heat of a substance depends on its nature. If the specific heat is high, the rate of rise in temperature is low for same quantity of heat supplied. Now we learn applications of specific heat. Why a watermelon cool for a long time after removing it from a fridge on the hot day? Because of high specific heat of water. Watermelon brought out from the refrigerator retains its coolness for a longer time than any other fruit because it contains a large percentage of water. That means water has greater specific heat. Why a samosa appears to be hot inside compared than to outside? A samosa appears to be cool outside, but it is hot when we eat it because the curry inside the samosa contains ingredients with higher specific heats.
If you like this video, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this video.